Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Khushi. In this video, we'll learn about the civilization part of chapter number 5 of your HSC 12th standard textbook Rencontre. This is on page number 128. Lesson number 5. Les médias en France means the media in France. Dans tous les pays du monde, in all the countries of the world, les médias jouent un rôle important. The media play an important role. Ils permettent de savoir ce qui se passe dans notre pays et à l'étranger. It allows us, or they allow us, to know. Savoir means to know. Ce qui se passe means what is happening in our country and at the abroad. L'étranger means at the abroad. First one, quelques journaux importants means some important newspapers. So, Le Monde et Le Figaro. So there are two names of important newspapers. The first one is Le Monde. Le Monde literally means the world. Et Le Figaro. These are two papers, two newspapers. Then L'équipe, un journal de sport. L'équipe literally means the team. It is a sports newspaper. So two important newspapers are Le Monde et Le Figaro. L'équipe is a sports newspaper. Next point, la Radio France Internationale, une station de radio publique internationale française. It is a station of French radio available internationally. So RFI, it is a station of radio, of public radio available internationally. France Info, pour les actualités. France Info is the program for the news. Les actualités means the news. France Culture pour les programmes de musique. For the programs of music. So RFI is a French radio channel which is available internationally. France Info is for the news. France Culture is for the programs of music. Then France 2 et France 3. Des chaînes publiques de télévision. It is public channel of television. Just like in India, we have Doordarshan. In France, there is France 2 and France 3. France 2 et France 3. Canal Plus, une chaîne sur le cinéma et le sport. Canal Plus is a public channel for the cinema and sports. Last point, le mur de la presse. Pour consulter plusieurs journaux en ligne. For online newspapers, there is a site, Le Mur de la Presse. There are various newspapers available en ligne means online. So the first point was important newspapers. It is Le Monde et Le Figaro. L'équipe is important newspaper for sports. La Radio France Internationale, RFI, is a station which is available publicly and internationally. France Info is for the news. France Culture for programs of music. France 2 et France 3 are the channels for television, public channels for television. Canal Plus is the channel for cinema and sports. And Le Mur de la Presse is the website for online French newspapers. I hope you're through with this topic. See you in the next video for lesson number 6.